Hey friends, did you know that CPAGrip's content lockers can be put anywhere basically that your visitors can go, and it can actually help earn you money? Now, if you're wondering, Shelly, what the heck is a content locker? Basically, it's just a way for someone to get to your site or to get to the content that you actually want them to get to. This is really great for affiliate marketing. And if you want to earn passive income online, this is a pretty neat thing that you can do. And don't worry, because it's easy as long as you stay with me, because I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. And the reason that I'm making this video is because you asked for it. I did another video on CPAGrip not too long ago. I'll put it up here and I'll put it down in the description that you can go watch after this video. But someone asked about it, so I'm giving you the video for it. Also, if you stay to the end of the video, I have another bonus method to maybe help you earn even more money. Hey, at this point, you're probably wondering, who is this chick? My name is Shelly Hopkins, and I teach you how to make money online with whether it's affiliate marketing, CPA offers, you never know. My YouTube channel has all kinds of different side hustles. So if you are new here and you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hello, subscribe, ring the notification bell. That way you don't miss anything. If something's oversaturated and I'm giving you a video on it, you're going to want to get to it first, right? Yeah. All right, let's get into the video. Let's go. All right, guys, there's only 3 steps. So the first thing that you're going to do is you have to sign up to CPAGrip. Also, there's a link in the description to help you out. 2, we have to find an offer, or it could be one that you already have. 3, set up your locker. All right, guys, once we're at CPAGrip.com, we're going to go to the bottom and click on Become a Publisher. Okay, put your name, your last name, publisher type. In case this fools you, you can put website, you can put you can put your Facebook there. It doesn't really matter. You can put email. On website, it's the same thing. If you have your own website, like mine's shellyhopkins.com, but a lot of people don't. So you can put your Facebook account. You can put anything. It really doesn't matter. Your address, city, state, your phone, your normal stuff. And then you click here, register now. I already had an account, so I'm logged in now. Okay, now you can have your own offer, or you can get one in here. So let's go to offer wall. All right, I already got signed in because I already have an account. Now, say you want an offer in here. So if you go to offer tools and then my offers, I always try to see like what maybe someone else would want to do. Like act now for a $750 PayPal gift card. Sounds kind of cool. So for an example, let's copy this link. Okay, then we're going to go over here to monetization tools. Shelly can't talk. And if you go to URL file locker, create new URL locker, agree, continue. Now this is customizable. So you can right click and put your link here. You can, the name, you can name it Earn PayPal. If you want to go back and look at your offer, you can just paste the link because it says our latest batch of gift cards has just shipped. So it's a gift card. So we would go back and put receive PayPal gift card. Sounds probably better. Receive PayPal and not money, because this is not money, it's a gift card. All right, we have the name, and all of this you can customize however you want, but you might stop and think about it because this is going to be what everybody sees. Like, for example, begin download, we might put click to register because they're registering for it. On complete a survey below to continue. Okay, we could go with that. To continue, to be on your way to the free PayPal card. I'm sure you could probably think of something better than that. I put card. Let's put gift card. Gift card. Okay. We have show offers 3. Let's do 5. Size. After completion, this resource will be unlocked. Okay, that's fine. This resource, yeah. You might could find a better word for resource. But you don't have to keep like what they have. You can change it to whatever you want. And if you ever get confused, you can always go back to the offer and think, this gives me an idea. Okay, now you can add and take away or do more, but let's do to preview it. And then there's a way if you wanted to change some of this too, but that gets a little bit more confusing and kind of gets into code. If you want me to show you that, leave me a comment below and I'll make a different video. So let's do save. Now all that's left is click on Get Links. Copy. You can do more customizing, but we're making this video really easy. Okay, I'm going to paste it in a different window, and that's it. And there's also other different ones that you can use. This is considered a landing page. Again, if you wanted to change any of this, you can, but just to make it simple and easy. Okay, and every time something gets clicked on, that's when you make money. That's what basically a content lock is for CPA marketing. Because this right here is CPA marketing. And that's cost per action. So you get paid every time somebody does something. So to make $100 a day shouldn't be all that hard. Now, another great way to utilize this tool is if, for example, you have like a free book. Then you could be like, hey, go ahead and click through here and click on everything that you want them to. And then you're going to give them a free book or a free PDF or something like that. That way that you get like 2 birds, 1 stone. Another way to use it is in a funnel, which is the same thing. Like you could give them and sign up for, get their name and email address. You can have the offer. You could even, if you wanted to do like the ebook or something like that, you could still send that in an autoresponder on the back end. Now that's getting a little bit more complicated. So if you want to see that, I'll create the video. Just let me know down in the comments. But I didn't want to confuse you in this video with it, okay? Now, this is really cool, and I think this is great to combine with affiliate marketing. So you had an affiliate marketing offer, and then you have this on top of it. Also, if you're wondering where to put it, if you have a website, put it on your website. You can put it on your Facebook. You can put it on TikTok, Instagram, you name it. And another great place is forums. There's tons of free forums, and I talk about them in some of my videos that you could go and just simply, hey, check this out, guys. Or if someone's talking about PayPal money, then you can be like, hey, I got a cool way for you to get some PayPal money. Don't overcomplicate it. That's where everybody screws up. Now, I promised you if you stayed to the end, I had another idea that's a bonus idea for you to make even more money. And it's doing exactly what I do. So if you really want to earn passive income, then follow me because I can show you the way. It's the exact same thing that I do. So why would I not tell you to do it? If you really want to work on a beach and sit there and sipping some beer, some mai tais, then this is what's for you. If you want to quit your 9 to 5, you're going to have a better bet at doing this. And you know what? The main thing that I did is I wanted time freedom. I wanted time with my kids. I wanted to be able to play with them. My daughter wanted to ride the bus and she never could because I couldn't get off in time to be at home for her to be there. And now I can because I do this full time. So there's a first link in the description. Go ahead and click that link and get started today. I promise you'll thank me for it. And hey, if you liked this video, the other video did really good and it was CPAGrip. It's a great idea. It's kind of cool. It's great for getting some money to help you invest in yourself. I'll go ahead and I'll put that the next video up here. So tell you what, I'll see you in it because I'm in it. Get it?